We are like pawns in a chess game, making small steps to progress and helping each other to achieve our goals. A school can be a second home, where a place we share our knowledge and skills and turn weaknesses into strength. Being a living here for 5 years made me realize that it's not all about studying, but it can be a place where we learn how to love ourselves and others. Thank you, Miss Joy, Miss Joyce, and Miss Cecil for being my second mom. I am Ben Sardan, 60.
At home, I always help my mom to clean the table and mop the floor. This is Ate Liliana Tibatip, 8.
Bilang panganay, naalagaan ko ang aking kapatid at aking mama. Ako si Ate Loti Barday, ng 2 taon gulang.
I never stop learning because life never stop teaching to correct our mistake from the past. I am Selgabel B. Pascua, 12.
So whenever you feel addressed, you know where to go. I am Andre Lloyd, Sinjacal Garcia, 13.
My parents, Pina House, and Sarah de la Cruz, 5. I see my mommy, love you, and Janet and Durban, 4. I want to be a doctor in order to help my family in the near future. Akia Kisapia Paro, 8.
Mahalagang bahagi ng buhay. Ito ay magsisilbing ilaw sa madilim na daan upang tayo gabayan sa ating mga hinaharap. Ako si Nexie Vicario Sardan, habang buhay na nagmamahal sa aking tahanan.
I love my mommy, daddy, church, and chicken order 4.